Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Well, last week we rocked PCLN for some huge gains, and this week our big alert was Zillow. It was actually alerted a couple days ago, but we've been talking about it for about a week now. Off this triple bottom right here. It was actually the fourth, but we won't count that. So we'll count one, two, three, and this is where we said lock and load the calls. It's time to get them. Blah 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 blah. We discussed the chart, long term, short term, so on and so forth. So Zillow has pulled it off. It was absolutely an amazing trade. We do have a 150 target on it, but at this time, we definitely had to lock in some of these profits. As you could see today, this is an option chart. You could see in chat room we alerted it was 50 cents a contract, and now they were up at one point today 1100%. Nice return in 2 days. Definitely no better place to make some money. This is, like I said, this is an options chart, so you could see down here when the alert was, it was 20. We waited for a trigger, so it was actually at 50, and then it really took off, and you can see they went to 550 at one point today. So even more exciting than that, though, when we called an exit, they were sitting at 915, and we were up 1830% in 2 days. So this is one of the reasons you want to become a member here at Milestone, especially if you do options. But even if you don't do options, the stock trades that we have are just amazing. So, you could see 1800% a couple days. It's definitely going to pay for your membership. Plus, there's so many other alerts too. That have produced some fantastic gains. GoPro was a big one this week too. We made quite a bit on that one, and then in turn, we called the exit yesterday, and then in turn it dropped beautifully today, and now is going back down to our opening gap from the day before. So everything is a planned trade, and we're very articulate on the technicals on these charts to make the most out of the trades that benefits our members. So taking a look at Z now, where we're going and what we're doing, we do have a 150 target on it. So if today's move was parabolic, great volume the last 2 days. I had a nice little pullback after earnings on Friday. Let me zoom this in a little bit more here. Whoops, wrong way. And the triple bottom was a great signal for a hold, but more importantly was a middle Bollinger Band here acting as support. And this thing just went parabolic today. It was absolutely fantastic. So moving into the weekly, you could see a little better here, where we're over the 50-day moving average. We're outside. I mean, we really rocketed up here, but I do think we're going to come up and test this area over here, 150 to 155 in that area, if not higher. But for now, relative strength index is at 58, so we have plenty of room for more upside. But taking a look at this monthly, it's pretty much just an awesome candle, and you can see your derivative oscillator is going to have to turn here soon. Beautiful volume came into the month, and usually when we start going like this, especially with some great news, it's going to continue to the upside. So maybe we might get a stack like this. Move this here, get a stack like this growing right off of here, get up to the 150, and maybe make new highs 165, 170. Plenty of room for this to move. So that's the Zillow trade. What will be our big trade next week? I don't know. You're going to have to become a member and find out. $9.99 special right now. Get you a lifetime membership. Last week you would have made it. Yesterday you would have made it. Today you would have made it. Doesn't matter. You'll make it back right away. It's just one of the ways we do it. We're really focused on making sure members make their money back so they can just start growing their account from there and move forward to make sure that they have a fantastic year. All right, members, make sure you check out the video tonight. We have a whole bunch of good stuff on that. We're going to do a bunch under $10, and we're going to do a bunch over $10, so that are all set and ready to rock and roll. Also, we'll see you in live chat tomorrow. So this is Matt, and you are viewing this on my website. Scroll down a little bit. You are going to see a join now button, and you're going to get an invoice. You're going to pay that invoice for $9.99. It's going to be a one-time fee, and you will become a lifetime member, and we will see you tomorrow also. Have yourself a fantastic night, everyone.